Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. It was a Sunday afternoon that I went to Abishek's house. I was feeling very hesitant on that day. Dimanche après midi qui Mone que Abishek sur lakaz. Motivé, senti-moi bien hésiter ce jour-là. I entered his house. I sat in the sofa. I waited for a while. After 2 minutes, his mom came out. Mone rentre sur la case. Mone assise dans ce sofa. Mone atan pour un petit moment. Après des minutes, ce maman in sorti dehors. She met me and said, "You are the same girl, right, who went to Abishek another house the other time?" I replied, "Yes." Lin zuen-moi, ik lindia, toi-même ça, tifi là, non, seki que Abishek sur lakaz la dernière fois? Mone répondit, oui. She was looking very young by wearing a black dress. Actually, Abhishek's mom lives alone with his 3 sons because she is divorced with her husband. That's why she was referring to the other house. Liti peut paraître bien jeune quand Liti met sa robe noire là. Actuellement, Abishek so maman reste tout seul avec ses 3 garçons à cause l'une divorcée avec ce Miché. Ça même qu'il peut faire référence sur la case là. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.